Hello Goenkans, let us continue our study of chapter quadratic equation. Today we are going to deal with the sum and product of the zeros. I suggest to you people to take out your textbook, page number 45 to 55 and go through it after listening this lecture. It will give you a better understanding of the subject. Now, sum of the zeros is the topic of the day. Here we know we have already find it out that alpha is one of the zero of a quadratic equation and beta is another zero of the quadratic equation. Alpha is equal to minus b plus root of d divided by 2a and beta is minus b minus root of d divided by 2a. Now to find the sum, we will add them up. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b plus root of d divided by 2a plus minus b minus root of d divided by 2a. Now since the denominator of these two fractions is same, we will write it once. So we write 2a in denominator. Then in the numerators we have minus b plus root d minus b minus root d. These two things. This will be simply added and written like this way: minus b minus root plus root d plus into minus minus here, then b and minus d. Okay, this way. Then plus root d and minus root d, they will be cancelled out. There remains what? Minus b and minus b. These two terms. Minus b into minus b is equal to minus 2 times b divided by 2a. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So our formula will be now minus b by a, which is the sum of the zeros of the quadratic equation. Okay. Next one is the product of the zeros. We know alpha is equal to minus b root of plus root of d divided by 2a and beta again is equal to minus b minus root of d divided by 2a. This thing. Okay, now we will find their product. We will multiply them to get the formula for the product of zeros. Okay, alpha into beta is equal to minus b plus root of d divided by 2a into minus b minus root of d divided by 2a. Then in the numerator we find minus b and plus root d and minus root d. So it is just like a formula a plus b into a minus b. So it will be equal to a square and minus b square. Here a is minus b and b is here root d. So in denominator we will simply multiply the two terms. 2a into 2a we will get 4a square. So here b minus b square means minus minus plus. This will be plus here. Then b square and root will be cancelled, so minus d. In the denominator we will have 4a square. Now square and root will be cancelled out, you get minus d. So keep b square as it is and give the value of d b square minus 4ac. Then multiplied with the negative sign minus b square minus b square minus minus plus 4ac divided by 4a square, plus b square and minus b square will be cancelled out. So minus b square and minus b square will be cancelled out. You get 4ac divided by 4a square. 4 no more a and a square. So 1a will be cancelled out. C by a is a formula for product of the zeros. Hope you have understood this. Now do certain questions on the basis of sum and product. Here I will give you one example how to find it. Question is, find the sum and product of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 9 by 2. So sum of zeros will be minus b by a. So you write like this way. Keep minus as it is. Here b is minus 6 here, a quotient of x. So write minus 6 and a is 2. So write here in denominator 2. So minus into minus plus 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. So you get 3 as it is sum. Similarly, when you want to find the product of the zeros, you will use a formula C by A. C is 9 by 2 and A is here 2. So we write divide by 2. So keep 9 by 2 there. Divide will be changed to multiply. 2 will be, the reciprocal of 2 will be 1 by 2. So 9 1 are 9, 2 2 are 4. So your product will be what? 9 by 4. One more example here I am going to show you, which is very important, that is find the value of k for which quadratic equation has equal roots. So we have been given a quadratic equation here and we are being told to find its value of k. So first of all we will multiply kx to x and 2. So we will get kx into x, kx square, kx into 2 kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So here a is now k, quotient of x square, b is here minus 2k and c is here 6. So when you go for finding what? Value of k, you should keep in mind the condition given. Here condition is given, roots are equal, so it means d is equal to 0. Only in this condition roots can be equal to 0. So d is equal to what? 0. When they are giving roots are equal, it means d is equal to, any discriminant is equal to 0. Then discriminant d is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So in place of b you can put minus 2k whole square, keep 4 there, a is k and c is 6. So minus minus plus 2 2 or 4k square, 4 6 are 24k equal to 0. Now here do the simplification. Take 4k as common here. So you will get k bracket k minus 6 is equal to 0. So 4k is equal to 0, k minus 6 is equal to 0. So k is here 0 and k is here also equal to 6. So value of k is 0 and 6. Hope you have understood these questions. Do now similar type of questions from the textbook. As you do more and more questions, you will be then okay to do these questions as quickly as possible, because practice, it is the practice which will make you perfect in doing the mathematics. So practice is must. Do as many questions as you can so that the concept will be strong and you will do then comfortably all the questions in future. Thank you very